Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken feet. First, you will need to prepare the chicken feet properly. Begin by carefully removing the tough outer yellow skin from each foot. Next, use kitchen shears to trim off the nails. After trimming, rinse the feet thoroughly under cold running water to ensure they are completely clean. Finally, blanch them in boiling water for about 5 to 10 minutes. This helps tenderize them and removes impurities. Now, let's infuse those feet with incredible flavor. Create a rich braising liquid using about 1 cup of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of rice wine, and several slices of fresh ginger. For an aromatic touch, add 2-star anise pods, 1 small cinnamon stick, and a few dried chilies. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, then add the prepared chicken feet. Let them braise for at least 1 hour, ensuring they are fully submerged, until they become wonderfully tender. Once the chicken feet are tender, it's time to perfect the sauce. Carefully remove the braised chicken feet from the pot and set them aside. Strain the remaining braising liquid through a fine mesh sieve, removing all solid aromatics. Return this clear, flavorful broth to the pot and reduce it over medium heat until slightly thickened. Finally, whisk in a cornstarch slurry to create that beautiful, glossy, and rich sauce. To finish, return the perfectly braised chicken feet to the pot, ensuring they are thoroughly coated in that luscious, thickened sauce. For a fresh burst of color and flavor, garnish generously with freshly chopped scallions or cilantro. These delicious chicken feet are best served immediately, either as a captivating appetizer or a distinctive side dish. Prepare to savor their tender texture and rich, savory, and aromatic taste.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.